my father's father, didn't want anyone to know that he knew Yiddish and Hebrew. But actually, there's also something funny about that. My father has a middle name, Emmett, which is a good British sort of name that my grandmother would have chosen for him because she was a poet and she wrote English poetry. She liked the late 19th century English poets. So Emmett was a good, but the funny thing is, of course, in Hebrew, especially the Sephardic pronunciation, Emet means truth. So I always wondered if that was a joke that my grandfather played by sticking some Hebrew and Yiddish into my father's name without him knowing it. He was Julian E. Frieden, but he never used the E, and no one ever knew about it. So it was suppressed, it was camouflaged.